Comfort Zone provides professional heating and air conditioning installation, repair, and servicing to customers in the greater East Haven, Connecticut area. We offer unsurpassed service as well as free estimates for new or replacement units. Comfort Zone can provide professional heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and other services to customers in the East Haven, Connecticut area. Our licensed and reliable air conditioning repair servicemen will ensure that your problems will be taken care of in the best way possible. One of our qualified technicians will give you peace of mind knowing that your air conditioning has been correctly serviced or installed. We can install all major brands of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment. We can also maintain the equipment. Our services include gas heaters, oil heaters, central air conditioning units, hot water heaters, boilers, oil furnaces. We also offer 1-year warranty on labor, 3-year warranty on parts, and service agreements are available. Call or visit us online for all of your heating and air needs.